critical evaluation of resources.
Welcome to our talk on research skills. Today we are tackling a topic that's increasingly important in our information-rich world, evaluating resources for research purpose. In today's environment, we are inundated with data. The sheer volume of information available can be overwhelming, making it vital to ensure the quality and integrity of the resources we use. The ability to critically assess resources is essential for researchers across all disciplines. With such a vast collection of information at our fingertips, distinguishing between trustworthy and untrustworthy resources is crucial to uphold the integrity of our research. In this report, we will explore the importance of critical evaluation. We will delve into the key criteria for determining the credibility, reliability, and relevance of resources. So, whether you are a student, a professional, or simply someone looking to deepen your understanding, this episode will equip you with the tools you need to navigate the complex landscape of information effectively. Let's get started. Number 1. Credibility of resources. Let's start with author's expertise. First, consider a qualification of the author. Look for their educational credential, advanced degrees, and professional association. An author with a PhD, master, or significant role in a reputable institution usually has a greater authority on the subject matter. Next, examine the author's publication history. A consistent record of contributions to esteemed journals or books indicates a high level of expertise. If they have been published frequently in respected venues, that's a strong sign. Moving on to the publisher reputation. Works from academic publishers, like university presses, are typically subject to thorough writing analysis. This difficult process enhances their credibility. Also, consider publications from reputable organizations. Articles or reports from established entities like government bodies or well-known NGOs are more often reliable. Now let's talk about citations. The impact of a source can often be gauged by how frequently it's cited in other scholarly works. Tools like Google Scholar can help you track these citation metrics, giving your insight into a source's influence in the field. Lastly, paying attention to the quality of citations. Look at who is referring the work. If reputable, scholars or institutions are citing it, this significantly bolsters the source's credibility. Secondly, reliability and relevance. When it comes to reliability, first and foremost is evidence and support. Trustworthy sources provide clear explanation of their data and methodology. When a source transparently outlines how research was conducted and where data comes from, it allows you to evaluate the credibility of the results. Additionally, seek out references. A reliable source will have comprehensive bibliographies or reference lists that back up its claim. A source cites authoritative works. It's a good sign of credibility. Next, consider bias and objectivity. Assess the language and tone of the source. Is the source natural or scholarly, or does it seem emotional or biased? Objective sources aim to inform, not persuade. Also, check for the funding sources. Research funded by organizations with specific interests might have biased outcomes. Being aware of potential conflicts of interest is crucial. Now, let's talk about peer review. The peer review process involves evaluation by experts in the field before publication. This procedure helps ensure that research meets established academic standards. Keep in mind that not all journals maintain the same level of quality. Look for those indexed in respected databases like Scopus or Web of Science for rigorous peer review. Now let's move on to relevance. First, consider the purpose of research. Evaluate how well the source aligns with your specific research question. Sources that stray from your focus may not be as helpful. Also, assess contextual relevance. Is the source pertinent to your geographical location, demographic group, or time frame. Context matters. Next, let's discuss timeliness. Different fields have varying standards for timeliness. In fast-paced areas like technology or medicine, recent sources are typically preferred. Conversely, in the humanities, older works may still hold significant value. And don't forget to check the updated frequency of the source. Regularly updates are particularly important for databases, websites, and statistical data. Lastly, consider depth and scope. Assess whether the source provides comprehensive coverage of the topic or just a superficial overview. In-depth analyses are generally more beneficial for true research. Also, evaluate if the source discusses various subtopics or perspectives related to the main topic. This can enhance your understanding and strengthen your arguments. As we wrap up today's episode, let's reflect on the key takeaways regarding the assessment of resources for academic research. A thorough evaluation of resources is essential for successful academic work. By systematically examining the credibility, reliability, and relevance of the materials you use, you can establish a solid foundation for your research. This evaluative process not only enhances the overall quality of your research, but also strengthens your ability to critically engage with existing literature. By prioritizing high-quality resources, you uphold academic integrity and reliability. Ultimately, utilizing well-vetted sources leads to more informed conclusions and makes significant contributions to your field. Remember, the effort you put into evaluating your sources is an investment in the quality of your work. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this discussion helpful in navigating the complexities of research. Until next time, keep striving for excellence in your academic endeavors. Thank you.